Hi guys, how are you? So we're back again, and sorry I'm filming with the same shirt. It's because I'm opening a bunch of boxes that I got and I don't want you guys to, to see them all late. So today we have Allure Beauty Box, and this is a very nice box. It's $15 a month and it's curated by the Allure magazine people. So let's take no longer into describing this box, but if you do want to see my other videos on Allure, I have December and January 2018. So let's just move into the opening of the box. The boxes are really cute. It comes like with this like plastic wrap so that they don't get damaged, but most of the time they do get like a little hit or scratch either way. So the boxes are pretty. I love the red. I mean, who doesn't, right? It looks so, the contrast of it. So I love it. So let's throw that to the trash. And as soon as you open it, you have Mani Pedi BC. So I have a couple of these and I have given some of them away because, what can you do with like 1,000,000 boxes? And they get to be pretty much a lot. So the first thing you see is a little magazine that comes with the box. It explains all the products inside. Let's just open it and so you guys can see. It tells you a little bit and the full price of the product. Well, let's just not open it until later. I want to be surprised of what the box has. And when you open it, it looks like this. So let's take the first thing and see this. This one is Juice Beauty Creative Director Makeup Gwyneth Paltrow. This is Juice Beauty. And you open it and oh, they're sending some colors. Not that I don't have enough lipsticks to wear for the rest of my life. There's an extra one. And I really like the color. It says Phyto Pigments Liquid Lip in 8-ball colors, vibrant shades, curated by Gwyneth and inspired by her close friends and family. Lay down the intense beaded pigment of a lip stain and it achieves a velvet lacquer-like finish without feeling tacky or drying. Moisturizing and conditioner formula. So every organic drop fits your skin. So it's a really cute little sample, but I like it. I love the color. Oh, it has like a little applicator. Look how cute that is. Let's see. So it's on the glossy side. That's what I'm like about. Cause yes, whenever the wind comes and then my hair gets stuck on the lip and yes. But this one, it has like free mini. So it has like all the shades right there. It's not bad. So that's the first thing. Let's get into the second thing. We have the Tartist. I believe I got one of these somewhere else. And it comes like this little thing. Sorry. That little thing. And I believe it's a mascara. Yes. I have gotten one like this. But let's just open it and so you guys see the one. Feels really light. The one that's nice. It's like plastic little bristles. Let's just put that away because I have one of those. Next thing we have, this looks like a full size. This is Essence Moonlight Cushion Calming Moisture Technology. Looks like a really nice package, plastic, but yeah, like very nice. And it says the Essence of Moonlight Cushion, and it's like seal. Like nobody opened it before. That's awesome. And then it has a mirror which is covered, and then it has this like little cushion thing. Pretty nice display. And this one, what is it? It has like a protective thing, but I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a foundation. Look at that. That's cool. I'm just gonna leave it there because I don't know, I'm using a foundation right now, but we have to try this. This is like pretty good to get like a full-size foundation. This is like what, 0.25 ounces, 7 grams. It's not bad. So we have 3. Let's get into the fourth thing. Usually we get 5. Let's see if we do it this month. This is a natural minty mint lip repair balm for soft smooth lip. 40% coconut oil. That's awesome. And this looks like a little like full size. This is by Skin Fix. It's What We Do. And then the last but not least is this little cute box, the Youth to the People. So it has that little logo there, and it comes like in this like carton little thing, and I think it's super cute. Get ready for some leafy green moisture with our lightweight multifunction antioxidant rich moisturizing cream. All of the superfoods with your love to combine in the hyaluronic acid to create a mighty moisture that restores rejuvenates conditions while protecting against free radicals and environmental stresses. Ready for soft, smooth skin that will make baby jealous? You're welcome, friend. Oh, it comes like in a little glass container. It's pretty nice. It has kale and spinach and green tea hyaluronic acid. Made in California. Doesn't seem like a wow full sample. Like all of it seems to be on the side. Let's smell it. It smells like all the things that they say that they have. It smells like not like kale or spinach, but maybe like green tea. It smells very good. We will have to try that one. Maybe I can put it under my makeup and you guys see how it looks. So that's about it. There's nothing else other than the paper. And let's see the magazine. So let's see. We have all those things. We're gonna see Youth to the People Age Prevention Moisture Cream, which will be this. This is the full size is $48. So this one scent is a huge deciding factor in whether I'm a fan or a skincare product, and I'm very sensitive to fragrance. This formula has a perfect super subtle scent that does not feel overwhelming or overpowering whatsoever. Plus it absorbs very quickly, allowing me to apply makeup over my smooth hydrated skin just a few minutes later. So we're gonna have to try this. So whenever I do try the foundation and that, I'm gonna tell you guys and we're gonna review some products. The next product that we have right here is this one. Is for the lips, and this one is the Skin Fix Minty Mint Lip Repair Balm. The full size, which seems that this is the full size is $4.99. So you already have like 1/3 of the box, since the box is $15. This is, I don't know what I did in the past life to deserve such chapped lips, but if I don't use this right lip balm, I use them multiple times a day. This time of year, my lips get dry, then chapped, then cracked. For a few years, Skin Fix lip balm have been my saviors, and this one has 40% coconut oil base, is hydrating, and the bottle doesn't have any phthalates, yeah, synthetic flavors or parabens, which is important to me considering my daily lip balm intake care. So nice. Then the next thing, we have the Juicy Beauty Phyto Pigment Liquid Lipstick, and the full size of one of these, obviously this is a sample size, is $24. I'm not gonna read really much about it, but there's a little note over here that says it could be Phyto Pigment Liquid Lip or the Burt's Bees Liquid Lipstick, and I obviously got the Juicy Beauty. I wish that I would have gotten the Burt's Bees because I like lipstick instead of lip glosses. So this is a lip gloss, which I have gotten the other. The next thing we have is a Tartartis Lash Pink Mascara, which I did get another one of these before, and that a full size is $23, which, you know, it's too much for a mascara. If you ask me, I already have told you guys I don't spend that much. So this one, so the description says I currently have 5 mascaras in rotation, one with feathery bristles for butter fluffy lashes, one with dense brushes for lots of volume, and now this guy for when I want extreme length. So this one gives you length. Tortoise mascara, one has spiky plastic bristles like I said before, and this is, it lets you get to the roots. So it's not bad, and makeup artists have taught me that making the roots really dark is what's going to make my lashes look longer and my eyes more defined, even on days when I skip liner. So it's nice. So it gives you length and 0 clumps. The last thing but not least is that one. It says Clee Essential Moonlight Cushion. Alright, I have confessed to make. I didn't realize this was a highlighter until I put it all over my face. Also, it is a highlighter, so weird. It looks like a foundation to me, which made me look marginally unhinged because of serious highlighter. So we're gonna have to try it as a highlighter, not a foundation. Scratch that, what I said before. My skin was so luminous, it almost surreal. So the price is 30 bucks. I mean, this looks like a full size, and maybe it is. Essence Moonlight Cushion provides a lustrous shine equivalent to that of moonlight lighting on water. Nice. So yeah, what do you guys think about this box? I mean, it's $15. I really enjoyed it, and I do a video later on in the month when I get all my $15 boxes, and I do decide which one I like the better. And so you guys keep on watching. Comment below if you have any questions or any comments. Give it a thumbs up, and bye guys.